Hello and welcome to the latest update from the Met Office. Thursday morning marks a big change in the weather across the country. It's wet and windy for northwestern areas and that wind and rain eventually turning up further south. But at first there will be some remaining fog and frost just around and ahead of this cold front, which is moving its way southeastwards and tending to deteriorate as we begin Thursday. Meanwhile, another weather front waiting to come into the northwest, tightening isobars, a strong Atlantic airflow, and that means that we're going to see increasingly wet conditions for western Scotland and then through the morning, Northern Ireland seeing the rain arriving. Wind picking up. England and Wales largely dry for the early part of the morning, but you can see these areas of low cloud, fog and a touch of frost still there in the southeast. However, the breeze is picking up everywhere and that will tend to help lift the areas of mist, fog and low cloud, and so although it will be fairly patchy in nature, it will largely be gone by the time we get to late morning. We'll replace it with areas of cloud though, so it's going to stay generally grey, most places cloudy, and the cloud thickening for northern parts of Britain to see areas of rain arrive from the west. The heaviest rain will be for western Scotland, however, that rainfall becoming increasingly persistent, especially for western hills, 60 to 80 mils building up through Thursday and the first part of Friday. And more than that in some of the wetter locations. Yellow warning in force because, of course, those rainfall amounts can lead to localised flooding and transport disruption. It'll be windy with the rain as well. Coastal gales around northern and western Scotland, 65 mile/hour gusts. Increasingly windy elsewhere, and that will mean that it won't feel particularly mild, although the temperatures are technically higher in the south compared to recent days. A blustery night to come across all parts, that strong wind driving further areas of rainfall, this time increasingly for southern Britain, especially over the hills of Wales and the southwest. Some heavy rain to come by the end of Thursday night, tending to be drier further east, but even here a few spots of rain coming and going. The persistent wet weather in the northwest clears to showers, but look at the temperatures, the kinds of values that we've not even got up to during the daytime in the south during the week. So a mild start to Friday, a very different feel to things though, with wind and rain compared to frost and fog. And those outbreaks of rain becoming widespread across much of England and Wales during the morning before finally they clear away by lunchtime. They're replaced by blustery showers and virtually everywhere seeing some of these showers come through. Lively downpours and a gusty wind. But in between the showers, some brighter spells. And actually it's a mild day to come on Friday with temperatures tending to reach 12, 13, perhaps 14 Celsius before a cooling trend from the northwest later on. So lots of change over the next couple of days and even more so through the weekend and into next week. And you can find out more on that through the Met Office 10-day trend, which you can find on the YouTube channel and Facebook page. Bye-bye.